wrong with your hiccups? Look, it's coming. Wait. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. This makes me so much joy. I'm gonna share it with the internet. What can we do?
Where'd your haircut go?
You scared me.
Oh my god! You want water?
No. Okay, goodbye.